Natural remedies for bone and joint pain. Ingredients: turmeric, ginger, water. Ginger. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that have been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce joint inflammation and relieve pain. 2. Pain reduction. Ginger may act as a natural analgesic by inhibiting pain-causing compounds in the body, potentially providing relief for joint pain. Turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties may help reduce joint inflammation and alleviate pain associated with conditions such as arthritis. 2. Pain relief. Curcumin and turmeric may act as a natural pain reliever by inhibiting inflammatory enzymes and reducing pain signals in the body.